Hello shoppers and viewers. In this video we'll be showing you how to repair your Garmin GPS. We have the keys in, we're turned into accessory mode, we get power to the radio, but no power to the GPS. Now if we look at the socket where we plugged in the power adapter, we wiggle it, it doesn't do anything. We also look in the back, the power cable is in the GPS, and we also notice that there's actually no blue light that's coming out of the power adapter. So we believe it's the power adapter that's causing the problem. So let's go back to our lab, and here we are, and we're looking at the power adapter. We don't want to buy a new power adapter if we don't have to. So let's open up this power adapter and see if it's something very simple that we can change and save us some money. So we take the screwdriver, take a quarter turn counterclockwise, and you can actually take out the tip, and the fuse comes just out like that. And what it is a 5 by 20 millimeter time lag surge withstand ceramic body cartridge fuse, and it's made by Little Fuse. Part number is T2AH250VP. We prefer having a fast blow fuse because it offers more protection for sensitive electrical equipment. So that's what we're going to be looking for in this replacement. So what we're going to use is a 5 by 20 millimeter 2 amp 250 volt fast blow fuse, and we're going to stick that back into the power adapter, and we're going to reassemble the power adapter. This time put this back in, take the screwdriver between the slit and turn clockwise, quarter turn, and it's in. And that's all you need to do. So now we're going to go back to the car and see if it powers up. We're back at the car, and what we're going to do is turn to accessory mode, and the GPS powers up. So we can see the GPS is getting power from the power adapter now. And if we look, this is the power adapter. Let me turn it a little bit so you can see the power LED is now lit. This 5 by 20 millimeter 2 amp 250 volt fuse did the trick here. You should check the specifications of the fuse in your Garmin power adapter to ensure it is the correct one. So there you have it, how to fix your Garmin GPS. In this case, we just changed the fuse. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If so, please tap the thumbs up. We'll be having more great videos to come. Please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.